Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we will be doing exercise 3.3, question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 11, 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. As we are using substitution method in this exercise, so I am following the same here. First of all, we will be finding out the value for x and y, and then we are going to substitute values here to get the value for m. So let's do it now. 2x plus 3y equals to 11. So here I am going to take out the value for 2x, 11 minus 3y. You can see in another equation there is 2x. So I don't need to find the value for x. I can simply substitute 2x, as here I can see 2x. If there is something else with x, then I have to take out the value for x as 11 minus 3y, and this 2 goes over here in the denominator. But in this particular question there is no need to shift it over there because we need 2x only. So let's substitute it in here. This is your first equation, this is your second equation, and this is 3. Put it in 2. As we have taken it from first equation, so we are going to put up it in the second equation. Now 2x minus 4y, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and instead of writing 2x I am going to substitute 2x, which is equal to 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equals to minus 24. This 11 goes over that side, minus 7y minus 24 minus 11. So you can see y is minus 35 over minus 7, which will give us 5. So we got the value for y as 5. Let's put it in 3. From 3, 2x is equals to 11 minus 3y. y is 5. So it becomes minus 4. 2x is minus 4. 2x is minus 4, therefore x becomes minus 4 over 2. So we got two values, x to be minus 2 and y to be 5. But our question is find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Our question is still pending because we need to find out the value for m. And how can we find it out? Y is equal to mx plus 3. One equation is being given. Now we are going to put up these values. Y is 5. X is minus 2 plus 3. Now this 3 goes over that side. 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 2m. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here it is 2m, or you can say m is 2 over minus 2. M is minus 1. So this is the final answer. Now this is question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So the first part is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. Find them. So let's consider the two numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. Now the question is difference between two numbers. So according to the question, the difference between two numbers x minus y is 26. It can be written as y minus x as well because we don't know which one number is the bigger one. One number is 3 times the other. Now this statement will judge which number is greater. We have taken x to be the greater one because after subtracting y out of x we are getting positive 26. It means in my question we have taken x to be the bigger one. That means one number is 3 times the other. That means bigger number is 3 times the other number. This number is that much bigger that we have to multiply y with 3, then only it will be equal to x. So we got both the conditions. Now already this value is a substitution value. I can simply put up it in the first equation and we can find the value for x as well as of y. So put it means this value in 1. Put 2 in 1, you can write. So instead of writing x, I am writing 3y minus y is equals to 26. This will give us 2y is equals to 26, or you can say y is 26 over 2, that is y is equal to 13. So one of the value we got as 13. So let's put it in 2. Put it in 2 to get the value for x. X is equals to 3 into y. Y is 13. So we got the value as x to be 39 and y is as 13. So you can see these are the required numbers. If we put up these values here, 39 minus 13, we will be getting 26, or x is 39 and y is 3 into 13, which will give us 39. So our values are absolutely right. That's it.